Santa Clara. Family members and colleagues in the South Bay legal community are mourning the death of a cherished labor law attorney, who succumbed to injuries 2 months after she was hit by a vehicle while crossing a San Jose street. Eleanor "Ellie" Schuerman, a 52-year-old Santa Clara resident, died May 27 at a San Francisco hospital, where she was treated following a March 24 collision near South 2nd and Margaret Streets, south of downtown San Jose. Eleanor "Ellie" Schuerman, 52, of Santa Clara, died May 27, 2018 from injuries she suffered when she was hit by a vehicle in San Jose on March 24, 2018. Schuerman was a longtime labor law attorney in the Bay Area. Courtesy of Schuerman family, Schuerman, a law school graduate of Santa Clara University, worked as an attorney with the Mountain View-based firm Kastner Kim LLP for the past 13 years, and was an active advocate for labor law issues who gave numerous seminars on the subject as an executive committee member of the Santa Clara County Bar Association. She also served stints as a temporary judge for small claims cases in Santa Clara and Alameda counties. "She was an enormously cheerful and encouraging person," said Natasha Anderson, executive director for Kastner Kim. "She walked into our office every morning and said a big, loud, good morning, and announced the day. She was a pleasure to be around." A.J. Schuerman described his sister as a moral compass for the family who dreamed of becoming a lawyer since grade school. "Every community she was in, she was a supportive and positive force," he said. Ellie Schuerman was an avid singer, having sung in church choirs during her Catholic upbringing, most recently with St. Clair Parish in Santa Clara. She also helped lead the South Bay karaoke group, which boasted more than 100 active members. As of Monday, she was still listed as an organizer. Schuerman was walking across South 2nd Street at Margaret Street around 9:40 p.m. on March 24 when she was hit by a white Dodge Caravan. The minivan driver stopped after the crash and told San Jose police investigators that he did not see Schuerman before the accident. According to a police report, the minivan driver said he was traveling around 35 miles per hour, and at least one witness told investigators that there was nothing to suggest he was driving recklessly. The driver also passed a sobriety test. But family members objected to the report's conclusion that Schuerman was at fault because she was not in the crosswalk when the collision occurred. A.J. Schuerman, who says his sister had dinner with a friend and was likely walking back to her car, noted there are no crosswalks across South 2nd Street at the intersection or for several blocks in either direction. "There is no crosswalk. She wasn't being irresponsible," he said. Ellie Schuerman was initially taken to Valley Medical Center, and later transferred to St. Mary's Medical Center in San Francisco, her family said. Her brother said she was initially in a coma, but eventually woke up and appeared to be recovering before her health took a turn for the worse. "There are only a few angels left on this earth," he said. "And we just lost one." Schuerman was born in New York City and graduated from UC Berkeley with honors before earning her law degree at Santa Clara University. She is survived by her parents, Alan Lee Schuerman, and family members A.J. Schuerman, Chris Schuerman, Kathy Schuerman, Maggie Parrott, Danny Parrott, and Cody Dotson. Her funeral will be held June 29 in Southern California. In lieu of flowers, the family requests that a donation be made in her name to Convent of the Sacred Heart High School in San Francisco or the Santa Clara University School of Law. Anyone with information about the March 24 collision can contact SJPD Detective Troy Sermons at 408-277-4654. Sponsored content: today's trending videos by Think. You might also like what was Joe Low thinking when he slammed Singapore. Business Times Malaysia needs change, says Najib's brother. Print edition unlimited data calls. Smith makes list of top 10 sports blunders. Mercurynews.com recommended by